A lot of our customers at Consandtrate ask us about if our product, our dry crack fill, will work in expansion joints. Here's our product. This is the dry crack fill, and you just put it in the joint and add water. This is a joint that's been in the ground a couple of years in our shop. And just to show you, it looks fine. It's perfect. Keeps the bugs and the weeds and everything out. But it's so flexible. It's polymerized concrete is what it is. And let me show you how to do it. It's real simple. You basically backfill with a cheap sand. Take all the wood out, clean the joint. Backfill with a cheap sand. And then all you do is put the material in the joint, like so. And you can I usually put in about, I don't know, 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch, depending if it's on a slope, whatever, and then you just spray with water. That's it. It'll stay. It's the cheapest way, best way I know. It'll look natural. That's it. Spray it, and then it'll come back, maybe 10 minutes, hit it again. You almost can't overwater this stuff. It sets up before it'll coagulate. The polymers will coagulate before you can overwater it. So anyway, I just wanted to show you that. It's pretty awesome. I mean, it's like concrete, but it's flexible. And this is where you get it at Consandtrate.com or on Amazon.